Are you tired of getting into a sweltering hot car after it's been parked in the sun? The heat can be unbearable, and those harmful toxins from plastics and upholstery can build up, making the air inside your vehicle unhealthy to breathe. Today I'm going to show you a simple, eco-friendly solution: the CYDZSW car solar-powered window exhaust fan. This clever device is designed to keep your car cooler and fresher, and it runs entirely on free solar energy. Let's dive into the features. The exhaust fan fits right into your car window. It uses 3 ducts and 3 motors, spinning at an impressive 4,500 revolutions per minute. This creates high-speed air exhaust that pulls hot, stagnant air out of your car, allowing cooler outside air to circulate in. The result is a more comfortable cabin temperature when you return, and better air convection for a healthier environment. What makes this fan truly impressive is its energy efficiency. It comes with a polycrystalline solar panel that charges a built-in battery during the day. No need to plug it into your car's electrical system, which means zero impact on your car battery. You can even control the solar and battery switches separately, giving you flexibility on cloudy days or at night. Installation is a breeze. You simply place the fan in the window, adjust the included rubber strips to fit your window seal, and roll up the window to secure it. There are no wires to connect, and it won't damage your vehicle in any way. The rubber strips help create a snug fit, and since it's rain resistant, you can keep it installed even in wet weather. But how does it actually perform? I tested it on a hot, sunny day. After parking my car for a few hours, I noticed the interior was noticeably cooler than usual. The fan's airflow was strong enough to push out the hot air, and the continuous ventilation helped reduce the stuffy chemical smell that often accumulates in parked cars. It's also quiet, so it won't disturb you if you're parked near others. One thing to note: the solar panel needs direct sunlight to function optimally. If you park in the shade, the fan will still run on battery power, but the battery won't recharge as quickly. That's a fair trade-off for such a maintenance-free device. What's in the box? You get the fan unit, 2 rubber strips, 1 long, 1 short, for different window sizes, and a clear instruction manual. The assembly is straightforward, and I had it installed in under 5 minutes. Overall, the CYDZSW solar-powered car window exhaust fan is a smart investment for anyone looking to improve their driving comfort and health without adding to their energy bills. It's especially useful for people who park in sunny areas, pet owners who leave pets in the car, never for long periods though, and anyone concerned about indoor air quality in their vehicle. As an affiliate, I might earn a commission if you decide to purchase, but that doesn't affect my honest opinion. I genuinely believe this product delivers on its promises. It's a simple, effective, and environmentally friendly way to keep your car from turning into an oven. So, if you're ready to enjoy a cooler, fresher ride, click the link in the description below. The CYDZSW solar exhaust fan is a small gadget that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.